Where do the 9 nuclear powers stand on the war in Gaza? The primary pillar of support for Israel comes from the United States. This support includes military aid as well as financial and intelligence assistance. Unsurprisingly, close US allies France and the United Kingdom have taken a similar stance. They've strongly condemned Hamas and have pledged full support for Israel. The United Kingdom has also deployed naval and intelligence assets to the area. In a key geopolitical shift, India, which has been a strong defender of Palestine, voiced support for Israel and condemned the Hamas attack as a terrorist operation. Meanwhile, Pakistan has been a reliable supporter of Hamas by providing diplomatic and financial aid to the organization. Although China is attempting to stay neutral, Beijing has amplified Hamas's criticism of Israel's military operations. Beijing's involvement in the conflict presents an opportunity to challenge US influence in the region. North Korea, on the other hand, is closely linked to Hamas, with several reports claiming the use of North Korean weaponry by the militant group. Pyongyang denies these allegations. And then there is Russia. Despite maintaining productive relations with Israel over the years, Moscow has also kept diplomatic ties with Hamas and has been linked with providing military aid to the organization. Although these links remain unconfirmed officially, the Kremlin has substantially benefited from the conflict, with the US shifting its focus away from Ukraine.